Brand new oil in her. It should run like a dream. I guess it depends on what the dream is.
Have you ever had a dream that you do?
I thought we were riding over together. What is he doing? It's a lot colder out here than it is in a car. Ow! I burnt this finger when I was changing my oil because I'm stupid and I touched the exhaust pipe.
All right, Pinhead, your time is up.
Who you calling Pinhead?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I keep on making stupid decisions today. When I say today, I mean all the time, but I'm gonna shift with not that finger, because that finger f***ing hurts. Holy shit, cold out.
Oh, I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
We let it be this cold out. Fuck me. Oh shit, I can't swear anymore. I forgot about that. Oh, this is gonna be another freaking 3 hours. See, I didn't swear that time. I said freaking. That's all I'm saying. I'm going this way. If you're also going this way, you can come. Are you going this way? I love. I'm cold. I'm freezing. Oh, where the f did that person go? Oh. I didn't realize how close they were to me. Oh my god, that looks like a storm cloud. And the wind is going crazy enough that there's a high probability of a storm. So a very high probability of me getting wet.
I'm an untrained meteorologist reporting on the snow. I mean, it's in the streets. God damn!
You're probably catching hypothermia because it's 40 degrees out. So, oh well. I did not prepare for this. All I'm wearing is this hoodie and I have a shirt underneath it, and both are white. Why am I so slow?
7 signs of undiagnosed autism in adults.
Why do I keep swearing? Ah! What smells like shit? Is it me? Did I shit myself? I mean, poop myself? Stop swearing! I'm gonna like beat it into me. After the 4 hours it takes me to edit this video tonight, I will finally understand. I guess I forgot to roll the intro. Alright, roll the intro. Why is there bee-boops? Is that up here? Is that further?
Wait a minute. Beep, beep, boop. Chimp chomp goes boop, boop, beep. Something ain't right here.
What you're about to see may disturb you.
Oh. I love you, Padre. I love you and all your curves.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
A lake.
I know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Doesn't take gas. Fuck.
Ain't got no water in it.
Oh, it's got too much water in it.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, you got claws, bro. Probably a little wet back here. Wet leaves. around and around and around we go.
Round and around and around.
And around and around. I like this game.
Wow, this is so much fun. Round and around and around and around we go. These people have a fucking nasty dog. Oh, it is out. Is it out? I don't know. I'd rather not figure it out, honestly. That dog.
They saw me, they came bounding over.
Kittens.
Can barely hear it.
Mine's louder. It's starting to rain. Here comes the rain. Da, 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 da. Okay, bye.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh god, this is gonna be a shit ride. It's actually starting to rain. What the fuck is that? Cameraman, slow that down. Editor, me in the future, slow that shit down. Figure out what the fuck that was, because someone just hit me in the face. Go back like 15 seconds. Oh my god. What did I say earlier about getting fucking frostbite and this still isn't the worst conditions I've ever ridden in. Make sure I stop at the stop sign. Well, I tried.
Tell me why you stopping me?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Huh?
I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to tell you.
Stop sign?
No, I said I'm.
What stop sign, man?
The rain hurts. Yeah, I'm glad I left then, because if I didn't, I would be done. You know, this whole thing moves. Might not be that fast, but it gets you to point A and point B. From point A to point B, not to a point A and to point B. Oh yeah. I don't know if I should be wiping off the camera or not. I don't know how hydrophobic it is. I could probably make jokes about that in the editing. Help me, I'm drowning, I'm drowning. Ugh. Yeah, it kind of stopped raining. I thought it was gonna get really bad, but then it kind of stopped. It was like, nah, just kidding, LOL. Ow, my nuts. Yeah, I'm wet. Alright, that concludes this episode.